In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a board on Monday.com. Navigating Monday.com and customizing your work environment can significantly improve your productivity and organization. One of the actions you might find necessary is leaving a board, either by deleting it if it's no longer needed or archiving it for future reference. Let's dive into how you can do this, ensuring you maintain a tidy and efficient workspace. First, let's start by accessing your Monday.com homepage. This is your mission control where all your projects or boards live. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Monday homepage. If you're already logged in, you should see your main dashboard filled with various boards you're a part of or have created. If not, take a moment to log in. Once logged in, your next step is to select the board you wish to leave. Scrolling through your dashboard, you'll find each board represented by a tile. These tiles give you a snapshot of what's inside, including its title, and a quick overview of the tasks or items listed. Browse through and identify the board you're aiming to leave, then click on it to enter. With the board open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertically aligned dots. This is your board menu. Clicking on this icon will unfold a drop-down menu that houses a range of options, giving you control over your board settings and configurations. At this stage, you have 2 primary choices for leaving a board: deleting or archiving it. Let's explore both options. If you opt to delete the board, be mindful that this action is permanent. Should you choose to proceed, simply click the Delete Board option from the menu. A prompt will appear, asking for confirmation of your decision, underscoring the permanence of this action. Ensure all critical data has been backed up or transferred, and confirm the deletion only if you're sure the board is no longer necessary. Remember, deleting it removes all its contents, so make sure no important information is lost. Alternatively, if you believe the board may hold value in the future, or you're not ready for such a permanent action, archiving is your best option. Archiving a board keeps all data intact, but removes it from your active boards list, decluttering your workspace while preserving information. To archive, click the Archive Board option from the same drop-down menu. Confirm your choice, and the board will promptly move to your archives. Should you need to access it later, you can do so from the Archived section on Monday.com. Both deleting and archiving serve to streamline your Monday.com experience, but cater to different needs. Deletion is final, best for boards that are no longer relevant or necessary, while archiving is like putting a book back on the shelf. You can take it down and flip through its pages whenever the need arises. To wrap up, let's quickly review the steps. Navigate to your Monday.com homepage. Select the board you wish to leave. Click the 3 dots at the top right to open the menu, and then decide whether to delete or archive the board based on your needs. Remember, organization is key in managing projects successfully. Making informed decisions about the boards you keep active versus those you remove or archive can significantly impact your work efficiency and clarity. That's all for today's tutorial on how to leave a board on Monday.com. Whether you're tidying up your digital workspace or making room for new projects, these steps will help you streamline your boards according to your current priorities and needs. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more tips on getting the most out of Monday.com.